Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be taking a look at tree traversal. In the broad view, we have two types of traversals, breadth first traversal and depth first traversal. A breadth first traversal is where we would be going in a level order, or we'd be visiting nodes one level at a time from left to right. So in this case, if we're doing a breadth traversal for this particular tree, we'd be starting with the first level, and at the first level we only have node A. So we write A, the value at the first level. Then the second we have B and C, but we start from the left, so it would be B, and then C, D, E, F, and G. You get the basic idea. So is um this is called a depth, no, a breadth, or like we could say level order traversal, or breadth first traversal. But then we have depth first traversal. With that one, the basic idea is same. It's a method for searching and traversing a tree, but it involves starting at the root node and exploring as far as possible down each branch before backtracking. And there are various ways this could be implemented, or various orders. So we have pre-order traversal, we have in-order traversal, and then we have post-order traversal. So the basic difference is in the order that we're going to be visiting each node data. So a node has, the value that it stores, the left pointer, the left subtree pointer, and then the right subtree pointer. It might be null, but it would have those properties. So for this particular graph, we have A as the root node. And if we're performing pre-order traversal, the order that we need to traverse is we first need to visit the roots, then the left node, and then the right node. So meaning, for instance, here the order should be roots, left, and right. Yeah. So if we start here, we start with the roots. So we will have to write the root node value, which is A. And then the next thing we have to do at this node is traverse to the left side. When doing that, we're going to come to node B. And at node B, we have to do the same. Start at the root, meaning itself. So we have to write B. And then the next thing we have to do is continue to the left node. So the left node for B is D. So we're going to come at D. And then here we have, again, we'll repeat the same process. Start at the root. The root in this case for this node is itself. Then, or in this particular subtree, is D itself. And so we have to write D. And now the next step is to do a left, move to the left side. Here we don't have any left or right children, so we're not gonna write anything. So for the left, we're done. Now we try for the right, same, nothing is there. So we have completed a full pre-order traversal for this particular subtree. Now we're gonna come back up because B hasn't finished its right traversal. So now B is gonna do a right traversal. Now the right side for B is E, so we're gonna come and do the same. Root traversal. The root here is itself E, and we're gonna do left traversal. We don't have a left child here, and we don't have a right child. So we can just finish that here. We're done with E, we're done with B. Now the next thing is for node A. So we're gonna come back, do a right traversal for node A. The right side we have C, same thing happens. Root node visited, which is C. Now we have to do left traversal. We're gonna have F on the left side. Same thing happens. First doing the roots, we only have F. Then doing the left and right, we don't have children. So left and right, since they're null, nothing happens. Now we're gonna come back to the parent node. We haven't finished one more traversal, which is the right. When doing the right traversal, we come to G. Same thing happens. We do the root, we read the or visit the roots, and that gives us G. And then we do left, there's nothing, then right, there's nothing, and we're done. So this is the pre-order traversal for this tree. The in order is similar, but the way we visit and traverse is different. So instead of visiting the root first, we go to the left side, and then a visit on the roots, and then traverse right. So for pre-order, the difference now is we first do so for post order, you can imagine what's remaining. We do left, right, and then roots. So to give a demo with this particular tree, let's delete all of this. We start traversing left side of A, we get to B. Again at B, we do left side of B, we come to D. Left side of D, there is nothing. So we continue with the next process of the traversal, which is visiting the node itself. So root node. Then we have D. So we should write D. So that will be the first element or the first value read in this tree. And then we do a right traversal. Maybe to avoid confusion, I can rename this as V, visit. Visit root. Visit roots, and then right there. So now we come to B. Again, we do visit root, which is B, and then we do right. We have to do right. So doing right, that gives us E. Again, same thing happens. We try left, there is nothing. We visit root, that's E, and there is nothing on the right. So alright, E. I'm done with with this subtree. So now I'm gonna come back to A. I'm gonna visit the root, and then that is A, and then I'll do right. That gives me C, left, which is, it's gonna take me to F. I come to F, there is nothing, visit itself, and then do a right, there is nothing, come here, make a visit, I get to C, and then do a right, that's gonna take me to G, and then you can imagine G is the only thing remaining, so we have G. So that's the in order traversal of this graph. And then the post order, so basically we start again. We start with the left again. Start with the left. It's gonna take us to B again. Left. It's gonna take us to D. Left. There's nothing. We try right. There is nothing. And then we visit. So D again is gonna be the first not to be right. Then we're gonna come back up. We do right. That's gonna get us to E. And then at E, we do left, there's nothing, right, there's nothing, we visit, that's gonna give us E. And then we come back up. Now the remaining thing to do here is visit. That gives us B. Again, we come back to A. What's remaining is to do right traversal here. Right, that takes us to C. We do left, that takes us to F. We do left, there is nothing, right, there is nothing, we visit. That's F. And then we go up. Now we do right. That takes us to G. We do left, there is nothing. We do right, there is nothing. We visit, which is G. We go up. The only thing to do here is to visit C. We go up because we haven't visited this node yet. Visit roots, and it ends at A. So these are the possible traversals for pre-order, in-order, and post-order for this particular tree. I hope that was good and you've understood about Deb's traversal. We'll see you on the next one.